What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be unboxing and installing this dash cam into my Toyota 4runner. Everything in this video is found on Amazon, and I'll put a link in the description where you can find it. So let's just jump right into it. Alright, so we're just going to unbox this right on the truck. The dash cam. Alright, so let's just go ahead and open it up. Alright, so right off the bat, here's the camera. Up. This is the GPS power. You got your USB cable. Right, so you got your rear camera, your suction mount. Here's your power supply. We'll get to that here in a minute. Your manual. Probably don't need that. And then you got your trim tool for taking your trim off. Alright, so what I wanted to mention about this adapter is that you can either use this, which comes in the kit, and you get a USB cable or any other accessory that you want to use, or you can get this adapter, which actually hardwires into your switched 12 volt, so you get a cleaner look. And yeah, I mean, you don't have to use this and use up a cigarette lighter. So that's what I'm gonna do. All right, so just a side note on this kit. I know it comes with instructions, but I just wanna show you, I just figured it out. You'll take your fuse, and then you obviously pick the fuse slot that you're gonna use. Then you grab this thing, and this red terminal is gonna plug in to the fuse. So they're gonna create a circuit right there, and then this is your ground. All right, so this is where I have this tap. I have it in the bottom right, 7.5 amp, the ignition. I just verified and it works. All right, so now I'm gonna be hooking up this, but first I need to take off this piece of trim so I can determine how long or how much cable I need to run. Cool, didn't break anything. I'm gonna go ahead and make my life easier and go ahead and run this through the pieces that I just pulled out. Oh my gosh. What a fucking mess. Alright, so this red wire is for when you put it in reverse. It'll give you a little reverse cam, but I'm not gonna use it. So I'm just gonna snip it here. So I'm not completely deleting it. You can always retro it back in, but don't think I'm ever gonna do that. Yeah. Boom. Okay, now I can install this thing. Alright, so that's that thing. This might be a challenge getting this trim piece back on. Here's the power. So I'm thinking this GPS module, I'm gonna try and stick it up here and just have one wire coming across here. Well, two, one for the backup cam as well. these wires up here. Oops. Cool. Alright, I really like this dash cam. I mainly got it because it has a GPS unit built into it, and I figured you could probably track and see where the truck has been. So that's a big reason why I got it, but this thing also has a lot of cool features. It's got a G sensor, so obviously, you know, like if something jars the truck, it's gonna start recording if it's not already recording. It's got motion detection. What's actually cool is this thing has a battery in it, so even if the truck is off and you got motion detection on, it'll still it'll turn on and start recording. Pretty standard settings. You got your resolution, timed photo, quality. You got screensavers. That's cool. Parking monitor. I did read in the manual that this is recommended to turn on once you parked it. So yeah, you can the button right here, you can take a snapshot, which is pretty cool. Here's your stop button. You can look at all the videos and stuff that you got on here. So yeah, overall it's pretty cool. I haven't really gone through all the features yet, but yeah, I'm happy with this dash cam. So like I said, all the links to buy everything in this video are in the description. Appreciate you guys watching. Consider subscribing if you're into these kind of videos. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. So I'm just gonna go and play some footage from this cam right now.